Hi everyone, so today we'll be making Adjaruli Khachapuri, the dish that is just amazing with its simpleness and flavors. Of course we'll be making with local products, so it will be a little bit different, but we'll try our best to make it at least look the same, alright? Of course we'll start from our dough. 1 kilogram of all-purpose flour we sieved. We add our salt, 2 tablespoons. We mix all together. We make small space. And then we add our mineral water. In water we add 2 tablespoons of oil and 5 grams of dry yeast. You mix the liquids and yeast together, and then slowly with your spoon you try to mix everything together to combine. Put on your working table, and then of course with your hands make stretch and fold, and everything you are doing with passion. Our dough is liquid, so the things you do, don't be afraid first of all, right? So I'm doing what? I'm trying to heat the dough so all the gluten will slowly start coming out. The dough is ready. You can in and see how smooth it is. Now we just put in our bowl a little bit of oil, spread it everywhere, let the dough chill, and I'll see you guys in 1 hour. Before we are waiting that our dough will rise, we start to make our cheese mix. Cheese Bryndza. If you cannot find the Bryndza, you can use the feta cheese. 1 kilogram of Bryndza, 1 kilogram of mozzarella already grated for the texture. Next thing we add is 2 whole eggs and 1 egg white. For softness, vegetable oil. Now we mix all together. I don't want everyone to think that this is the original version. Usually we are making with cheese Sulguni and Imeruli. Of course, in Europe it's really hard to find, so I'm just using what I have. It's quite similar. Sulguni has the texture of mozzarella, and Imeruli cheese is salty and it's soft, so we are using the Bryndza or feta cheese. It's not the same, but it's similar. It's a little bit salty, so I'll add a little bit more of mozzarella cheese. Our cheese mix is ready, so we just put in the fridge and let it rest for 15 minutes. Our dough rised, as you can see. Now we just need to stretch and fold again. Then we split on even pieces, in equal pieces, and then we leave for the rest. And then now the dough is very sticky. So you can help yourself with a little bit of oil on your hands. We start to giving a really nice shape to our dough. Preheat the oven till 210 degrees, and then we start giving the shape, and then we bake our beauty. Alright? See you soon.
15 minutes later.
Alright, our dough rests a little bit. Now we just flour our surface. We take our beautiful dough, nicely and gently. We put, okay, just a little bit more flour. Then we're starting to give it a shape. It's all about the hands, the movements. You don't need to squash too much. You just need to give a shape of not perfect circle. On the center we put our cheese. Then we try to take everything together. You press. A bit more flour. Then you are giving a... And here in the center, I just cut like this, right? And all the part from outside, you just making like this. And now on the center, you just leave it like this, or you can even add a little bit more cheese on top. Okay, it depends on you if you like your Adjaruli to be more cheesy. Now at this point, everything is finished. Now we just take our hot tray. We put on the hot tray, we just take and up. Give a shape before it's hot. And we put in our oven to bake. Guys, as you can see, Adjaruli is ready. Check the color. And now we just put on our plate. We put our egg yolk in the center. We spread a little bit of butter. And we put small piece of butter also inside. Our Adjaruli is ready. So, of course it's not the classic version. Of course the cheese will be different and it will be a little bit more thick because we use the other cheese. But the flavor is quite similar, I can guarantee to you. Just try to make it with passion. No need to follow all the recipe like this. Just try to put your soul inside your dish, right? It's simple, it's easy to make. It's really quick to make also. Just put your heart inside. Alright guys? Now I'll just try it because I'm very hungry. Look on this bread. And the best part is that cheese is literally everywhere because we didn't roll and then put cheese. We put cheese and then we made our shape. Life hack. If you like it, if you enjoy it, and if you try to make it at home, just let me know how is it. And write in the comments how you feel yourself and just tell me what can I do next, alright? Let's try to make something different and let's try to make everything with love and soul. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next videos.